look all around. Tell me what you see. Round all around, look all around. Tell me what you see. Now 1, 2, 3, I see a yellow sun shining bright. Yeah, I see birds that sing in the big blue sky. Yeah, I see mountains, mountains, trees so green, stars that shine on everything. I know God made all of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. Round all around, look all around. Tell me what you see. Round all around, look all around. Tell me what you see. Now 1, 2, 3, I see a yellow sun shining bright. Yeah, I see birds that sing in the big blue sky. Yeah, I see mountains, mountains, trees so green, stars that shine on everything. I know God made all of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All right, let's do this. Point at something red.
Red apples.
Point at something purple.
Purple like grapes?
Can you point at something pink?
Oh, I love it.
You can do it. Come on and point at something orange. Ooh, here we go. I see a yellow sun shining bright. Yeah, I see birds that sing in the big blue sky. Yeah, I see mountains, mountains, trees so green, stars that shine on everything. I know God made all of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All of these things I see.
You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Oh, hi, friends. I'm Zoe. And today, I'm doing one of my favorite things in the world, a scavenger hunt. Do you know what a scavenger hunt is? A scavenger hunt is where you have a list of things and you have to find them. Today, I'm finding things that are this color. Shout out the color if you know it. Correct! I'm finding things today that are the color blue. Like my blue binoculars. Whoa. You guys look really close. We only have 3 things left on the list. A blue car, a blue cup, and a blue book. Blue car first. Let's look left. Let's look right. Let's look all around. Do you see the blue car anywhere? Oh, there's my blue car. Great hunting! Now let's look for the blue cup. We'll look left. We'll look right. Oh, hey! There's my blue cup. Scavenger hunting makes me thirsty.
Hoo, hoo.
It's Ollie!
Hello, Zoe. Hoo, hoo. Going on a scavenger hunt, are you?
Hi, Ollie. I sure am. I only have one blue thing left to find on my list.
Blue is a beautiful color. It's true. I know someone who made all the things that are blue. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hi everyone. I'm Justin the mailman. Wow, what a beautiful day. I woke up this morning and did a big stretch. And I said, hello, day. Can you do a big good morning stretch and say that with me? Hello, day. Great job. That reminds me of a true story from the Bible about when God made everything in the whole world. Do you want to hear it? Great. Let me just put the story mail in the mailbox. In the very, very beginning, there was nothing. No people, no animals, no land, no ocean, no sun, no earth. Just nothing. But there was God, and God was about to do something amazing. Are you ready for this? On the first day, God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. Amazing, bright, shining light. And God said, "That's good." Everyone say "that's good" with me. That's good. And it was. Then God decided to separate the light from the darkness. He called the light day. And what do you think he called the dark? Night. That's right. And because on day one, God made the light and the dark, we now get to wake up every morning and see the light. And every night, we get to go to sleep in the dark. That was day one of God making the world. Now, what comes after one? Two, that's right. On day two, God made water and put some way down low and put the sky way up high. Then God saw what he had made, and God said, "That's good." Everyone say "that's good" with me. That's good. Okay, so on day one, God made light and dark. And on day two, God made the sky above the water. Day one, light and dark. Day two, sky over water. And this was just the beginning. God making the light, the dark, the sky, the water. He had so many more plans of what to make next because God made everything. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God made light and dark and sky over water, and he did it all on day one and day two.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow. God made light and dark and the sky and all of the water in the world. God made everything. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. Water is blue, just like the things on our list. We only have one thing left, the blue book. Shout if you see it. The blue book is our Bible. I'm gonna go read all about how God made water. I'll see you next time. Bye.
saw everything he had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31. God saw everything he had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31.